G'day everybody, hope you're well. This video is brought to you by FTX. And just going through and having a look at the market on this bit of a pullback at the minute. A couple of things to note is, we have had a strong run to the upside. So a pullback, could certainly be on the cards. Let's be realistic here and have a look at some of these levels. We are extended. We've had a good move. We pushed up through 10,000, pushed to 12. I'll draw in some fibs and see where they round out to. Let's have a look. Yeah, beautiful. Realistically, guys, a pullback into that $10,000 mark, 10.5, that sort of region, it's definitely not off the, it's not out of the, it wouldn't be out of the blue. It's very, very good to see as well. So from my perspective, trends need to have pullbacks. Look back here, we saw a pullback 12%. We've seen pullbacks before. It's what allows us to get entries, and it's what's good for a trend. It's like, running a marathon, and then maybe in 2 months you've got another one. Cool. You've got some time to rest, recuperate, get yourself ready for that one. If you run one and then tomorrow you run another, chances are you're not going to run it quite as well as what you would if you haven't given yourself a break. So we need to have that pullback for a bit of a break before that next leg up in an uptrend, which we are in. We are in an uptrend. So don't be concerned if we do start to pull back deeper. I won't be. I'll be seeing it as a positive, nothing else. Right now, though, is Bitcoin ready to be shorted? Well, for me, no. We're still too much up in that upper echelon, higher end of the market. We're $1,000 down from around those highs, roughly. So no big deal. Consolidation continues. Yeah, sure. Daily's come off a bit, but it's not. There's nothing too out of the ordinary there. I'm not looking for shorts. I will, however, be open to looking for shorts where I believe the opportunities may present themselves, and that for me is going to be when I see trends in agreement. Okay, so again, let's look at this weekly on Ethereum. A big move up. It's been a huge move. A pullback into 300 thereabouts. Totally fine. All right, a higher low is what we need. A pullback is likely. They always do. Markets do pull back. Crypto goes up for a long time, but it also does pull back. It's evident that this occurs if you've researched markets a lot. For me, divergence on this daily has come in. We are selling off at this point in time. Now, if we have a look here, all right, here's a lower high and a lower low. Now, what that does for me is it shows me at least the mid-time frames have got somewhat of a trend there. Now, possibly a pullback into 400 could give me the opportunity for shorts in Ethereum. It's not there yet. I'm stalking it, and I'm going to be giving it some time to see if I can actually get that play set up. BSV, very much the same here. The one thing about BSV that I like more than Ethereum is that we have a lower high and a lower low now. We do have a daily downtrend. The weekly, it didn't do much. It did move up. It's back in that cradle zone. But we do have a daily downtrend. Sorry, my voice sounds a little bit weird because I've just been exhausted. And yesterday I pretty much slept all day. So my voice is a little bit funny. And that's why I do sound a little bit weird. You can see 203 here, old resistance. It's been support once, twice. We've broken down through it, a pullback into there. Could be really good for shorts, waiting to see what goes on there. Now, coming away from those lower time frames and going back up to the higher time frames. Now, I've talked about Tezos for a while now. My desire to trade a breakout, my desire to get long was there. I just didn't get the opportunity. Well, now that might change. Check this out. Look at this 2-day. Higher lows, higher high, pulling back into that old level. Bullish candle. Now, don't forget, that's only just open. Today's the 22nd, is it? Let me just double check that. One moment, please. Phone, confirm, 22nd. 2 more days. A small bullish candle like that in this cradle zone, man, that would be something I couldn't ignore with this weekly uptrend. So there could still be opportunities here. We just got to go out to those wider time frames. Tezos, definitely on the list. Keep an eye on that for maybe Monday morning. And I'm also looking at Theta. Now, it's a little bit wonky, but there is a bullish candle right there. All right, 20 hours to go, a long way to go. It hasn't been too affected by the sell-off. Look, it isn't beautiful on these mids. The 12-hour, I can't do anything with this here. It is definitely just the daily. But you can see that trend is there. Higher lows, higher highs. Convergence of the MACD fits the rules at this point. A little way to go, obviously, because we've still got 20-odd hours. Also, Maker. Let's jump to the 2-day here. A bullish candle right there in that cradle zone, sitting on $600 round number. Again, a couple of days need to go by before there's anything there for me to do. I'm really happy that we're seeing a little bit of a pullback and things are slowing down, because as you can hear, I've been pushing it a little bit too hard. A lot of fishing, a lot of late nights, a lot of trading. Look, I'm not complaining. It's been remarkably profitable. However, this guy needs a little bit of a downtime, a little bit of a break, and that's what I'm going to be taking. So hopefully you guys are good. If you haven't got your FTX account, or you would like to learn how to go short, how to manage your risk or go long, description below will show you all of the information that you require to get yourself going. The videos are all there, and 10% off your FTX trading account if you haven't got one. Guys, have a fantastic day, and I'll let you know what's going on again next week. Take care. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.